Yeah, brother, how are you?
Well, what's about you, man?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, brother. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Mumbai, Maharashtra. And you?
Yeah, I'm also calling from Mumbai, brother. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You are
So, brother,
amazing man. You are living. That's why you are living Mumbai, Maharashtra. Your dream. It's a dream of city.
yeah,
mostly, mostly people say that it's my dream to visit Mumbai.
okay. Yeah, we can say we are lucky. I mean, see, lots of people believe a Mumbai like Mumbai we can call to dream city and like like Bollywood industry and lots of places very famous here. So we can
Yeah.
say like capital of Maharashtra, even India we can say because this is earning point in Mumbai we can say. So anyway, brother.
Capital of India is not Mumbai, bro. You are telling me wrong. Capital of
Okay.
India is Delhi. Delhi,
Yeah,
Delhi.
so finance capital of India, like because Mumbai we can say like earning point. I
Yeah,
forget. Sorry
earning
for
point. You can say
yeah,
earning point, man.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So anyway, brother, please tell me about yourself. Like, what do you do? What's your profession? And what's your
Well,
future?
brother, I'm a student. I'm doing SYBA from Mumbai University. And nowadays my college is closed, but my lecture is going on Zoom Meet,
Okay.
and I'm attending like that lecture, and I like it to attend online class. But
Okay.
nowadays I'm also doing a job like a marketing. I'm doing
Marketing.
marketing. Yeah,
Mhm. That's good.
that's it, man.
So which field you are doing a marketing like medicine, sales department? I mean, what kind of marketing?
Yes. I'm sales department marketing.
Sales
Yeah,
department. Like,
I, I sell a voucher to visit another place to like out of Maharashtra, Goa, Manali, Matheran, Rajasthan. If you wanted to visit, I will give you a voucher. Just I'm saying you to my profession, not to understand. I'm selling to you.
yeah, that's good thing. I mean, you are guideline like two purpose. For example, I want to go in Manali, so like I connect with you and you talk about like package 4 night 5 day like that. What is the include food and something like that? Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Wow,
you are
that
absolutely right.
so
But
so brother.
if you want to visit Matheran, Goa, Rajasthan, Manali, just try to contact me. I will give you a voucher. Just price I will tell you on the phone, not here. The price
Yeah,
is cheap range. Whatever I think, if you are professional person and you have to earn money more and more every day, then your 1 day package only money.
okay.
You have
So
to
I
spend this voucher only.
okay. So for example, brother, like I want to go Goa because Goa is very famous, as a tour place. So
Yeah.
how do I like? What is the requirement? Like, what's your package? For
My
example.
package is that you if you have to visit Goa, then you will have to pay some money. I will not tell you the yeah.
Yeah.
You will have to pay money to me, not me
Mhm.
my manager. I will give you
Yeah.
a voucher. And
Okay.
if whenever you want to visit there before 10 or 7 days before, you have to call. That package is mentioned my office number. You have to call there, and you have then said that I want to visit that this place, and
Okay.
give me uh, registration form. You will
Okay.
give I will give you registration form on WhatsApp or any email ID. Then your
Okay.
hotel is booked. Whatever you want, any hotel. I think Goa, in Goa 2 or 3 hotel I had. So which is
Okay.
I have provide 3 star and 4 star hotel.
Mm-hmm.
And like internal amenities like gym, swimming, indoor outdoor game, is all about free of cost.
Oh,
And
I see.
yeah, hotel cost also free of cost. You have to
Okay.
pay, you have to pay only food, food only. You have to pay only food and stay where you want to stay. You have to will give you only free of cost.
Oh,
It's my company culture.
yeah, that's good, brother. This is, we can say, good deal to everyone. Seriously, definitely, I will visit your company, brother, because I'm excited to go in a Goa. So definitely,
Just
I will contact with you
yeah,
and talk about like. Mhm.
yeah. Before 1 week, I joined at that company. I'm just seeing my voucher and magazine I saw and read it. Then I'm asked to HR, how will you provide like this thing in cheap cost? He said,
Okay.
I'm just adding whatever you want to provide large sum money you want to grow your company. Then you will have to cheap range product to another person. Then your product is explore all over world in India. Like that company is my also is providing like this thing and cheap rate.
Yeah, that's good. So you are providing a international also, like we can
Yeah.
say Maldives and one of island like it's.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I think uh,
Okay.
international also is so cheap range according
Okay.
to me. Yeah. But
So,
in
brother,
sorry.
yeah, tell me.
Yes. Tell me, bro. Tell me.
Yeah, I want to ask you, for example, like I want to go Goa, okay, as a two purpose. Like I want to stay over there 4 day and 5 night, yeah, like 5 night, 4 day,
No,
like
no.
that.
I
Okay.
will provide only 2 nights. Just listen to me. I will provide only 2 night and 3 days.
3 days.
And
Okay.
you have to visit with your friend and only 3 person. And if you want to visit with your family, then you can go fourth person. Two
Oh,
is
person.
two adult and two small child. You can visit.
Oh,
But if you want to visit with your friend, then you can go 3 person.
oh, I see. That's good thing. So, brother, like suppose like I want to go over there. I'm excited. I'm interested to take your voucher. So, should
Yeah,
I pay first and like just fulfill my form? How do I apply? Because
yeah.
nowadays,
I will give you a magazine. In
okay,
magazine, there is mention my form card. Two
okay,
form card. I will add my address and also I'll take your address and mention there two form in also between two form. I will register your mobile number, email ID, your address,
okay.
and I will give you a slip. Oh,
Oh, I
sorry,
see.
sheet.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Then if you have to booking your address in Goa, then call me. Whatever your number there is mentioned in magazine, then call me and said I want to visit at this place. I want to booking. Then your order is booking and you will get a receipt on email or WhatsApp, whatever you want, whenever you want.
okay. This is great thing like online online connect and emergency. For example, I want to go tour
No,
purpose,
if
so
you want to
I
visit
connect.
my yeah,
Mm-hmm.
just slowly. If you want to visit my through my company, then you will be meet to me. That's why I will
Okay.
provide my magazine books.
Yeah, I see. Okay, definitely, definitely, brother. In
I
future time,
also I also visit on Virar. Weekly one day I'm there
oh, I
in
see.
Virar.
Definitely, I will meet you like whenever I get a free time. Please tell me about your like week of day. Definitely, I will contact with you, and I'm interested with your dealing like because I want to go Goa. So definitely,
Yeah,
I will
definitely.
contact.
I'm
Okay.
hardly sad, bro. If you your magazine, you will read my magazine, then definitely you will be quite excited. Then why is providing cheap range?
Oh, I see. So can you tell me like give an example like how much rupees you charge? Like what about your voucher? I mean just give an example, not actual
It's
amount, but it's nearest to.
okay.
Please tell me.
Just a minute. Just tell me if you want to go. If you want to visit Goa in
Hmm?
personally, not any company through. Uh,
Hmm.
how many rupees will you be spend if you want to personally go visit Goa?
Hmm. Yeah, brother, I remember that in last year, 31st December, my friend, they decided to, they made a plan to Goa and they visited over there. Per person, they expended around 26,000. Only, yeah, yeah, right, 26,000, 25 December to 1st January, like 5 to 6 day they spend, they spend like 26,000 in a Goa. So just
Oh
yeah, bro.
man, just tell me staying fees. Staying
I don't
fees.
know, but they were living they hire a bungalow over
Yeah.
there, but they give a rent around 1500 per day, 1500 to, sorry, per
15.
person, per person 1500,
Are you
1500.
crazy, man? Are you
Yeah,
crazy?
yeah, brother, seriously, they hire one bungalow and per person 1500 they pay, approximately maybe 10,000
For
they pay. Yeah, and this bungalow was like we can say it's big one. That's
okay.
why reason I'm telling they invested 26,000 within a 7 days, 6 days, sorry, 6 day. Yeah,
6 day.
yes.
Daily 15,000 or one day is 15,000 rupees. You will have to pay.
Actually, it's all included like food and bath and shower and we can say traveling, traveling like one of a taxi like hire, like everything included over there. So that's why
Okay.
they paid per day. Yeah,
Per day 15,000 rupees
1500, not thousand, 1500, 1500 per day.
per day. Okay.
Yeah.
My package is, I think, your according per day. My company fees is 100 rupees
Oh my god, really?
one day. Yeah.
No, man, I can't believe that. This is no, no, you are
You
kidding me, I think.
can meet whenever I visit Virar. Then I
Hmm.
will tell you everything in my company.
Oh my God, seriously, you are selling. This is, we can say, cheapest quality, man. No, anyone like, forbid, like, I can't take this planner. No, I'm excited. I want
Yeah.
to also take your deal, seriously.
That's why I'm telling you, why are you invest 25,000 rupees in Goa? Because I'm shocked.
Yeah, man, actually, Goa city, we can say,
And,
like,
and one thing I'll tell you my product. If you want to eat through my company, then 1,000 in 1,000 rupees you will eat unlimited food. Sorry.
oh my God,
You can
unlimited
yeah
1000
yeah 1,000 per person, and I think 3 days for 3 days.
for 3 days.
Yeah, 1,000 in 1,000 rupees for 3 days, and also 3 person. If you adult or any friends, you can eat per person 1,000 rupees.
Seriously, this is such a great deal, man. In future time, definitely I want to excited meet with you. Okay. So
Yeah,
please,
this is
after conversation, please send me your number and definitely I will try to contact with you, connect with you. Okay.
yeah
So
yeah
I think
definitely.
we have to stop here because our video is going to lengthy. Okay. So thank
Yeah
you
yeah
very much for sharing with me your idea, your jobs, everything. It was fantastic,
yeah
and
yeah.
I'm happy with you. Okay.
You are amazing person, man. You are amazing. Bye bye.